Guys, it is that time of the year again. I took the shroud off of my tractor. I since this thing was sitting for so long, I took some oil and I put it down the cylinder, so you're gonna see some smoke. So yeah, it's got gas in it. Battery's still good. The thing's been in hibernation since September, like late September, and hasn't been touched. Shortly after this video, I'm going to put some flags, so like an Alberta flag and a Canadian flag there, and I'm going to let it sit there. It's going to be my first decoration. This summer I'll probably end up taking some of the stickers off and putting different kind of stickers on it. Probably some special stickers of my own thought. I know the air filter's good. I checked it every month. The tires are still holding there, so that's good. And I checked the oil. It's still great. Gas, it's old, but it's going to do. The tractor's been in hibernation, so I did try to use the tripod out of my truck, but I could not get a grip on the plastics, so it's going to be interesting to drive. At least until I can get myself a tripod that will fit on the tractor. I'm not really sure what to do though. There's a person driving by. Alright. Enough fun and games. Let's try it and see what happens. Alright. Okay. Get the key. Okay, I think the key is on this side. Let me see. Oh, there's the key. Key. Stick that in there. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, did you notice that there? Oops. How about that? Alright. Bail. Alright. Okay, let's try it again. This time with connection. Right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's no smoke. And it started up pretty quick too. That's amazing. Let's see. Okay, now we're smoking. Ooh. Yeah, see, we're smoking. It sticks, but it's worth it. It's clearing up. Alright. Shift in reverse. It moves. Alright, let's alright. This would be a lot easier with the tripod. Now the tires are definitely not meant for this kind of condition, but we kind of got no choice here. So yeah, the engine is firing on each one, so that's good. There's no really any stalling, there's no nothing, so that's good. There's no misfires. Looks like all the valves are good still. The seats are seating properly. The oil's getting around to the overhead cams, valves. Spark plug seems to be still good. Alright, let's turn around here. Alright, this is already getting long, so let's turn this around and drive it back home, and I'll drive it around with a little more off camera and get it all warmed up and ready for the season. It's going to be getting an oil change in when it gets a little warmer out. I'll be doing the oil change myself. I won't be videotaping that because that takes hours, and I don't have the editing tool on my notebook, so we're going to be yeah. Alright. Of course, we'll start the snowblower just in case if there is a snowfall. But okay, got my coat out of the way. Jeez, slippery. Alright, that hurt. What happened there is some ice or slush or whatever slipped on there, and it went ahead and hit my heel there. And I happen to have a part of my bone that loves to stick out to the left, like left this direction, and then right on this direction. And if that gets hit, it's kind of painful. All right, this is getting mighty long, so. Alright, later YouTubers. Come on, man. Subscribe, share, and please click that bell. I know I won't be posting quite often. That's because I'm running out of interesting things. But yeah, just do all those things for me. I got something special and I hit the 100 subscriber, alright? Alright. Later.